Auzubillahiminash-shaitanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Live signing in once again in front of you with the beautiful and the amazing video of pots plant. These are the succulent small pots plant in front of you. So watch the video till end and enjoy the video till end for these wonderful and beautiful ideas of pots plant. Viewers, as you can watching on your screen, the wonderful ideas of pot plants which are with the succulents plant. As you can watching on your screen, these are placed at your homes, at any place. Very wonderful ideas of pots, very different, very different type of pots they are. Viewers, all of these pots are made up of terracotta. So these are the terracotta pots with the fusion styles. Amazing styles to place on at any place at your homes, whether it is kitchen, dining tables, side tables, gardens, walls, hangings, everywhere you can place it by yourself. These look very beautiful at any place. And as you know, the succulent plants can grow without water and sunlight, so you doesn't need to give them more sunlight and water, so you can place it anywhere at the homes. Viewers, here I am going to remind you the subscription of my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by pressing the bell icon also, and must visit my channel for more interior ideas, and many other interiors are present into my channel. So visit my channel and don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself, because we need your support on daily basis. And stay tuned with us for more interesting, fashionable, trendy and ideas of interiors. And if you want to see anything else on my channel, then write in the comment section. Inshallah, Decor Life try to give you the best video on it. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. We'll be right back with the new interesting ideas. Take care.